All right, to go a little bit deeper into our discussion about adjustment layers, first you need to know really where you can find these. There are a couple of places that they can be located in Photoshop. First place is going to be within the panels. If you do not see the adjustments panel inside of your Photoshop workspace, you can go up to Window and you should see adjustments, and if there's a check beside it, it's open somewhere. Now, these are all the different adjustment layers that we can apply to our image. The second place that you can find the adjustment layers is going to be at the bottom of the layers panel on this half circle. And if you click this, you should be able to find all of your adjustments. And then the last place you can locate this is going to be under the layers panel. And you can navigate to new adjustment layer, and then all the adjustment layers are here as well. So no matter where you choose to use them or select one, it's going to create the same adjustment. Now, there are two panels that are going to be important for you when you're working with adjustment layers. Obviously, the adjustments panel, and then when you choose an adjustment, you're going to see that adjustment layer pop up in your layers panel as a layer. We looked at that last week. But you'll also see the properties panel pop up. Now, the properties panel is going to contain the adjustments for each individual adjustment layer that you select. So when we select different adjustment layers, we'll see different options or different properties for that specific adjustment. So right here we have the brightness contrast adjustment layer. Now, in the adjustments panel, when you hover over each of these icons, and you'll learn what these are the more you use them, you'll see that the name of each of these adjustments is going to pop up in the top left-hand corner of the adjustments panel. If I don't like it, I can delete it. I'm back to my original. One thing I want you to see is that with every adjustment layer that's introduced, not only is it including it as a layer, but it's also linking it to this white box. Okay, this white box is called a layer mask. And what we want to do is we want to explore a little bit with these layer masks in our next video.